The 17th North Shillong Implementation Committee had organized a felicitation program and inauguration of ambulances and utility vehicles at a function that was held on the 9th of December 2022 at the Jaiaw, Shyiap and Lumpyllon Community Hall, Jaiaw, Shillong, where the MLA of the Constituency, Adelbert Nongrum, graced the occasion as chief guest. Different categories of people of the 17 North Shillong constituencies that include persons with disabilities, teaching and non-teaching staff of various educational institutions in the area, sports persons, artists from visual and performing arts, and COVID warriors were conferred an award each for their contribution made towards society. During the event, songs and dance performances were also presented by young people of the constituency. Speaking on the occasion, the MLA of North Shillong, Adelbert Nongrum, encouraged members of the gathering to be less concerned about community but more about humanity. At the same time, he urged upon everyone to become instruments of blessings to others, just as those who have lost their lives during the pandemic had been a blessing to all around them. While most people have turned politics into business, yet focus must be made on being good individuals in order to leave behind a legacy, added Adelbert Nongrum. Therefore, he encouraged mass participation in community and social development so as to make the North Shillong constituency a model for others to follow.
Members of the organization
Gogoy, Crawford had Tayuman, Bisamantan, Bayabaro, Danang, people with disability could take me to so have an eye to have the Yabaro and the
We each and everyone should ensure that we should convert ourselves into an instrument, a blessing instrument, and a meaningful instrument. That it's time, let's not talk only, or let's not be concerned only about community, but it's time to talk and to be concerned about humanity. So, bagi atiar desi la kalau kilo kecil ku nak baca je. Bagi pak minum kecil ku nak baca ni ke paten mata. Bagi paten ki barawan.